Hi guys, this is Sumant. In this video we are gonna learn how to make a weather application. So this is a UI I have made, and here I have entered Kansas and Missouri. You will get the details over here. You can change that uh, Chicago. So like this. So now I'm gonna explain the code. This is a HTML file where we have included bootstrap libraries, and this is a script.js file. I have included this is actual file, and in this style I have declared some classes .jumbotron, and in body I have background image. I have given here background color and color. So here I have taken container is like it gives padding before the data, and this page header is like it gives space around data and gives an underline this get weather info. So I have taken another class. Jumbotron is mainly used for giving large text inside that container. This is a label, and this is the input I have given id my text, and here is the state code. I have taken state code id, and here we are gonna call parts JSON hourly function, which is presented script.js. So coming into this file, here we are getting the data from my text id input, whatever we are giving over there. Kansas, it stores in X, and state code we are storing in Y. Here we have opened a new HTTP request, so it opens this URL where it gets here input city name and state code over here, and this is a URL. From here data is the key, and these are the values. Data is like an index, and this is key, this is value. In order to access this data, we need to write a code data of 0 block dot any key value in order to fetch the data. So it opens that URL, and the response text is like you will get the JSON data, and we are parsing that, so it gets converted into JavaScript object. As I told, here is we are showing it on HTML, that is bootstrap framework. These are the IDs given. These IDs are present over here. I can show you. Yeah, here is a demo 1, demo 2, demo 3. Here IDs, and here I have given the image source climate.png, so that you have observed already small picture you are getting over there. So in this IDs I am writing the data from the URL which I have shown right now. In this field I am displaying everything, and next I am gonna talk about hourly data. For this I have opened this URL for 5 hours. We can see over here in this you can see here key equal to this. So how I have taken, so for this we need to go any I have taken from weatherbit.io. This website is giving me a API keys. This is a key generated for me. You can go to documentation as per your requirement, like hourly data. So you can go into this documentation, you can read it, and you can use this API. You can use in your application. So this is a link. So these are the parameters, methods, everything. So this is a URL request. You need to replace the your key with your key. So hourly data is like data indices. It is 0 block, 1 block, 2, 3, 4. So in order to access this element, data of 0 dot this key values we need to access. Here I have created a strings, empty strings for everything. So I have created a for loop for each. We are showing 5 hours data, right? So for each data 0, data 1, 2, 3, 4, it goes into each indices. In data 0 it will print, it will get this all values, and it stores in the string everything, all the data of this humidity, temperature, timestamp, everything. And here we have created a to list hourly data to time frame win data. These are the IDs created, and these are the strings data present over here. We have created a for loop so that document.getElement.id hourly data, so it prints the it gets data from this variable, and it prints over there. You can see this hourly data time frame over here. So these all are nothing but I have taken a bootstrap grid. Bootstrap grid is like it creates a rows, and in that we can keep 12 columns. So I have created row within row, and we can keep data like this. So here is hourly data. These are the key HTML IDs. So I have used over here to print the data. You can see here the data, everything, the data, everything. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.